So Apollo has come out now with a version 3 of the Apollo Phantom. So I'm a self-confessed Apollo fanboy. I absolutely love them. This was the first one that I actually tried out. This is the Apollo Ghost. I've been having an absolute blast with it. I love it on the trails. I love it for going around the city. It's terrific on the steep hills. I absolutely love the Ghost. And here we are now with the Apollo City, and this is the Apollo City Pro, and I love it. It won my 2022 Commuter of the Year award. Absolutely love it. It's not too heavy. It's got enough power to get this big guy up some of the hills, and it's so smooth. I love it. And Apollo has come out now with the version 3 of the Apollo Phantom. Now, I've never tried the Phantom, but I'm really looking forward to doing a full review of it. But let me just share with you some of the differences and updates and changes that have been made to the Phantom just before it gets released today. So Apollo has a launch date of March the 15th. In their release notes that they sent to me, they sent me a bunch of really cool looking photos of the actual Phantom version 3. They're going to have that next generation controller. That's that Mach 1, that blue controller. That looks really cool. It's going to be able to they're saying it's going to be able to brake faster and safer and have regenerative braking, and it'll be the first time on a high performance electric scooter. I'm interested to see what that feels like. It has a fully customizable app. Again, they're really been hammering away on the Mach 1 controller. Again, I suspect this is going to be quite a bit of a game changer, but you know what? Time will tell. Let's see what it looks like. It does look kind of cool too. It's got that bright blue color. It does have Ludo mode, which is kind of an interesting one. So this is a setting that you can actually click on with inside your app. And basically what it does is it unleashes the full capacity, that full battery dump, giving you max speed. So if you're looking to do a speed run or any kind of racing, then you'll be able to dial that in with Ludo mode. It does have a new throttle design. So this is the 7th generation of Apollo throttles. It does have larger paddles, which allows for a little bit more comfortable contact. Again, I'm really looking forward to trying that out. Even with gloves on, I'll be interested to see if that's something that will work. And it also has front turn signals as well. So I'm looking forward to it. I think it's going to be quite a powerful scooter. It's obviously going to be powerful. 1200 watts times 2. That's pretty amazing. And as I mentioned, $2,300 US or $2,700 Canadian, and one of these can be yours as of March the 15th. Let me know what your thoughts are. What would you like me to do with it when I get it? I'm probably going to do a range test. Probably going to be doing a full review. But is there a scooter that you would like me to compare it to? Let me know in the comments below.